Hello, this is Samuel of Packet X. Today I'm going to walk you through a very brief but easy process of connecting your external USB DVD drive. As you see here, I only have three drives on my computer: the C drive, the system drive, which is E, and my storage drive, which is N. Over here, you'll see I have my external USB DVD drive. Once you take it out the package, you plug in your DVD drive in the connector in the back. You take your USB cable and you plug it in onto the side. You'll hear that beep, and once you hear that beep, shortly after, you should see your drive appear in the list. So now you notice I have the DVD RW Drive F. It is ready to go. All I need to do now is just pop in the DVD, sit back and relax and watch a movie. I hope this has been informative to you, and I hope you have a great rest of your day.